How Does PayPal Credit Work is a comprehensive guide to understanding the payment system offered by PayPal. To begin, PayPal Credit is a line of credit that allows users to make purchases and pay for them later. It is essentially a digital credit card that can be used for online transactions. First, to use PayPal Credit, you need to apply for it through the PayPal website or mobile app. The application process requires you to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you have applied, PayPal will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a credit limit. After you have been approved for PayPal Credit, you can use it to make purchases at millions of online stores that accept PayPal. When you make a purchase, you will be given the option to use PayPal Credit as your payment method. You can then choose to pay for your purchase in full or to pay for it over time with interest. One of the key benefits of using PayPal Credit is that it offers a promotional period of 6 months, with no interest charges. This means that if you pay for your purchase in full within 6 months, you will not be charged any interest. However, if you do not pay for your purchase in full within the promotional period, you will be charged interest on your outstanding balance. To manage your PayPal credit account, you can log in to the PayPal website or mobile app. From there, you can view your account balance, make payments, and track your transactions. It is also important to note that you should make at least the minimum payment on your account each month to avoid late fees. Best practices for using PayPal Credit include making timely payments, keeping track of your account balance, and avoiding unnecessary purchases. It is also a good idea to read the terms and conditions of your account carefully to understand the interest rates and fees that apply. In conclusion, PayPal Credit is a convenient and flexible payment system that can be used for online transactions. By understanding how it works and using it responsibly, you can make the most of its benefits and avoid unnecessary costs.